Hello my friends, welcome back to Chica View. Today I'm going to share with you guys the benefit of using Vaseline. Vaseline is very good for dry skin and for people who are pregnant, for ladies I should say, they're pregnant and they want to prevent contracting stretch marks. Now, I used to suffer from very dry skin to the point where my skin will open and I will start bleeding from cuts. So I used to buy a lot of different lotions to try to help me restore my skin, because it was very uncomfortable that I couldn't even move my hands, because I felt my hands so dry that as soon as I moved them I could feel like my skin cracking and getting a cut and bleeding. And I was just so frustrated because it didn't matter how much lotion I will apply into my hands, my skin will continue to be the same, will still be dry. And it didn't matter what type of lotion I applied. Like I told you, I buy so many different lotions and nothing will help. So then my mom saw me having that issue, and she said just use Vaseline. Vaseline is very good to help you with dry skin. So she said just apply a bunch of Vaseline in your hands, let it sit there for 15 or 30 minutes, then go ahead and rinse your hands, and voila, your skin is gonna feel back to normal. You're not gonna feel that dryness anymore. Your hands are not gonna be creating cuts anymore, your skin. So that's what I did. And so she told me to do this. So this, see how much I use the Vaseline. I use the Vaseline a lot. So basically you're supposed to grab this much. Let me show you, like this much, okay? And you apply it here, as you can see, this much, like this. And then you use it and obviously distribute it in the other hand. And as you can see, now my hands are super oily now, with Vaseline. So I'll just wait. I can clean the palms of my hand if I want to. I just want to leave the Vaseline on the top of my hand where I'm suffering from the cuts. And I just leave it like this, let it sit there, and then I go and wash my hands after 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And when you do that, problem solved. You're not gonna feel your hands dry anymore. You're not gonna feel your skin cracking anymore. You're gonna feel relief in your hands. That's how I became aware that Vaseline is very good to solve your dry skin. Another thing that we as Latins use if Vaseline doesn't work is pork lard. So that'll be like the last resort. If Vaseline doesn't help you with your dry skin because you suffer from severe dry skin like myself, then you should try lard pork. Apply it the same way as Vaseline, let it sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then go and wash your hands, and then your skin should be back to normal. You shouldn't feel any itching, you shouldn't feel any pain, you shouldn't feel your skin dry anymore. So I know definitely Vaseline helps you with dry skin if you have an issue like me. And Vaseline also is very good to prevent stretch marks on those women who are pregnant. It is very important you use Vaseline in the areas where your skin is dry and you're feeling itchy, to prevent stretch marks, and drink a lot of water and don't scratch, because as you scratch, that is a stretch mark. Since you're pregnant, your body is swollen and it's causing you to feel itchy, and since your skin is basically expanding so rapidly, it needs to be moisturized. Therefore, it's very important to use any moisturizer, but in my opinion, I believe Vaseline is the one that will help you alleviate that dryness and that itchiness that you're experiencing due to being pregnant. So if you feel itchy, make sure you apply Vaseline in your stomach, in your arms, your breasts, your legs, and don't scratch. If you feel the need to scratch, make sure you use the palm of your hands instead, to go like this to try to get rid of that itchiness. But don't use your fingers, because as soon as you use your fingers, that is a stretch mark for sure, and you don't want that. And drink a lot of water, okay? So it's very important that we moisturize our skin, drink water, and we don't scratch when we are pregnant to prevent stretch marks. So I hope this video was very useful to all of you guys, those who suffer from dry skin and those ladies who are pregnant and want to prevent, you know, contracting any stretch marks. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I will try to respond to your question. And I hope if this is the first time you came across my channel, you subscribe to this channel. And once again, I'll be seeing you soon in another video. I don't know if it might be a dream interpretation video, or it might be another beauty tip video, or it might be a product review video, but I will see you soon. You guys take care. Bye bye.